Hey everyone, and welcome back to Visme's monthly feature recap. Last month, we introduced new accessibility features to help you create more inclusive content. We also made imported PDFs editable and added a brand kit menu to the editor. So let's dive in and explore these latest updates and improvements. For the past few months, Visme users have been able to add alternative text to their design objects. Now, we've made it even easier with a centralized menu where you can view and manage all the alternative text in your project. You can find the alternative text menu by clicking on the hamburger icon, selecting accessibility, and then choosing alternative text from the dropdown. From there, you can switch between views to see a list of all the design objects, objects with alternative text, and objects without it. You can add, edit, or remove alternative text directly from this menu. This feature is perfect for users who need to ensure their content is accessible and are working on multiple documents, as it makes it easier to manage all your alternative text all in one place. After launching PDF import, we've got a lot of requests from users asking for the ability to fully edit their uploaded documents. Well, we've been working hard behind the scenes, and now you can upload your PDF files into Visme and they'll become fully editable inside the editor. All objects in the PDF will be converted into images, SVG graphics, and text boxes, which you can then edit using Visme's text, graphics, and image editing tools. A couple of things to keep in mind though, the maximum upload file is 50 megabytes and free users can only upload documents up to 10 pages long. So the next time you need to edit an existing PDF, just head over to Visme and make all your edits directly within the editor. In November, we added a feature to AI Designer that lets you upload links and documents and use their content. However, some websites block data scraping and certain documents may be password protected or broken, meaning generation can't always be successful. So to make things easier, we've now added a content preview feature. Before spending AI credits or upgrading to premium, you can preview the content to make sure it's exactly what you need before proceeding with any design generation. This new improvement gives you more control and ensures you only move forward with the content that you want, saving you both time and saving you credits. And that is a wrap for our December monthly recap. We hope you find these updates helpful, and if you have any feature requests for 2025, drop them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any feature updates, and until next time, I'll see you later.